Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to cut and sew a pant or a trouser using the Sunray fabric. So this fabric is called Sunray, or you can call it ribs. So we are going to make this pant that has a rope on the waist. So that is what we are going to make today. Please guys, before we get into the video, kindly hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So guys, let's get right into the tutorial. So you're going to fold your sunray fabric into two. You're going to fold into two. After folding, you are going to get the length of your trouser, of your pant. So I'm using 43 inches here. So the length you're using depends on who you're making for, depends on the length you measured. So I'm using 43 inches. And mind you guys, Sunray's fabric, most times we don't fold the down part, you just leave it like that, or you weave or serge. So after getting your length, the next thing to get is your hip divided by 4. After getting your length, I'm still trying to confirm the length, that's fair. So after that, you're going to get your hip divided by 4, and you're going to place from the center, from the folded part, you're going to place your hip divided. So after placing, I figured out that I will not have enough for my crotch, so I decided to extend. So after that, place your hip divided by 4 from your folded part, and you mark out. You mark out your hip divided by 4 from your folded part. That's where you're going to place your hip divided by 4, and you mark out. And you're also going to place it from the upper part. Can you see? From the upper part, and you also mark out. So this is going to create like a square, like a box. And then from the upper part, you mark out, and you are going to extend that line. Can you see? I extended the line. That is going to serve as our crotch line. So next is to place our waist to hip. So in cases that you did not measure the customer's or the person's waist to hip, it depends on the waist you're working with. You can come up by 1.5 inches for someone that does not have much waist. And then for the flap, you are going to divide your hip by 20 and approximate. So mine is 2 inches, and that is the marked out area. That is how you are going to get your flap. So on that extension, I placed 2 inches and then created that curve for the flap or the crotch. So next, you are going to get your waist to knee line. So this is my waist to knee line. After getting that, I'm going to measure this my crotch line. Can you see? From that extension, I'm going to divide it by 2. Can you see? I'm dividing it with the tape, and I'm going to bring that down so that I'm going to get the center of this my waist to knee line. So I brought it down. That is my crotch measurement. I brought it down. Can you see? And then connected to my crotch. Can you see? Can you see the way I did that? Please, if you're connecting to your crotch, do not curve inward too much. So I'm going to take the same measurement all the way down. So I'm taking the same measurement all the way down. The same measurement all the way down. Take the same measurement all the way down. Take the same measurement all the way down, and then cut out. Remember, I'm not putting any waist measurement because I'm going to put a rope on the waist. So I'm using the hip measurement for the waist. So you cut out. You cut out. Then you're going to split that folded part open. You're going to split it open. Please guys, do not forget to hit on that subscribe button, also turn on notification bell so you get notified whenever I make a new post. Please, you can also drop your questions and your thoughts via the comment section. Do not also forget to share this video to your friends and family. So we are done with the front part, and then over to the back part. I already folded my fabric into two, and you're going to place that front that you already cut out. You're going to use it as a template to cut the back. You're going to use your front as a template to cut the back. So you're going to extend that to your crotch line, extend your hip line, waist to hip line, and you are going to mark out 1 inch from that folded part, 1 inch for the crotch line, 1 inch for the hip line, 1 inch for the waist, 1 inch for your knee line, and then your length. So this is going to serve as your sewing allowance. Remember, we did not impute any sewing allowance for the front piece. So all the sewing allowance is going to the back. So after you have marked out your 1 inch, you are going to divide your hip measurement by 2. This is for the waist. So you're going to place like so from that crotch area. You're going to pin down that 1 inch and you're going to flip over your tape to get your measurement. That is your hip divided by 2. You are going to mark out. Can you see? So on your hip line, you are going to place your tape from your crotch, pin your 1 inch and flip over to also get your hip divided by 2. Remember, we are using hip measurement for the waist and for the hip because of the rope. Then for this crotch line, you're going to be putting your thigh measurement. You're not going to divide. Place your tape, pin on that 1 inch and flip over. So for the thigh here, I'm using 24 inches. So you measure your thigh. You are going to connect in a curve like so. Can you see? You're going to connect in a curve like so. And you're going to come up on your waist by 1.5 inch and you are going to slant to the side. Can you see? I slanted it. Can you see? So next on your knee, you are going to place your tape, pin your 1 inch and turn over. Remember what we used for our knee, the same measurement as the crotch. That is what we use. So you are also going to do that for the down part. Please guys, I have other tutorials on trouser you can also check out if you are finding this confusing. I have like 2 more tutorials on trouser. Please kindly check them out. So we are done with this and it is time to cut. So can you see where I slanted? Can you see? So this is it. This is our back piece. This is our back piece. Very simple. It does not even take much time and you're done. So you split open the side. Split open the side. Please guys, I hope we have all subscribed to this channel. We have given this video a thumbs up and shared to our friends and family. Thank you guys. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you the new people, new subscribers. Thank you for sticking by and watching up to this moment. I bet you guys you would like to see the outcome of this trouser, of this pants. So this is it, our front and back piece is ready, and we are going to go straight to the sewing machine to join the flap area of the front piece and also the flap area of the back piece. Is either you call it flap or you call it a crotch. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to join the crotch area of the front piece and that of the back piece. So this is it, guys. I'm done joining the crotch. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I joined the crotch of, this is the back piece, and I also joined that of the front piece. Can you see? So after that, I'm going to join the sides. This is very simple, very simple. So you're just going to join the sides. After joining the sides, you are going to join the flap, the center, that is the flap area. Can you see? I already joined everything. I joined the two sides and then I joined this flap area. And this is it. Our trouser is coming together. Our trouser is coming together. So next I'm going to measure round the waist so that I will cut out the band. So I'm going to measure round the waist, measure the waist all round, measure the waist all round. So I'm going to cut the band. I'm going to cut the band. So I'm going to use 2 inches for the width of the band. 2 inches for the width. I don't want it to be too big. 2 inches for the width. Two inches for the width. And then I'll measure for the length of my band and then I will cut out. And then I'll cut out. So I'm going to go to the sewing machine so that I will join the band. So I'm going to join the band all the way round. After joining, I also sew all the way round, and then I folded the rope for the trouser. I folded the rope for the trouser and open it up. Use the scissors to open it up and past the rope using a safety pin. Can you see? And guys, this is our trouser. This is quite simple. This is very simple. The simplest way to make a trouser. And guys, this is the result of our trouser. Is this not looking beautiful? Please, guys, if you think I deserve a thumbs up, kindly give me a thumbs up. Kindly like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share to your friends and family. And see you some other time, guys. Bye.